How to use ChatGPT to write a resume. Now, to actually help ChatGPT so that you can ask for help to write a resume for you, here you can see you can just ask it to write a resume. It will give you a certain template. So it will ask you for some basic information like your name, your contact information, your objective summary, your work experience like your job titles, the company names, the dates of employment, responsibilities, your education, the skills that you have, your certifications or licenses if optional, otherwise just leave it. Additional sections such as volunteer experience, projects, publications, or awards. Once you provide these details, ChatGPT will be able to draft a tailored resume for you. So just type in whatever else your details is right over here, right here. Then once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically find out all of those other details as well, and it'll be able to create a resume for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.